How to open HSBC account online on UK. If you want to open your HSBC bank account online, it is actually quite simple to do. So instead of going to the bank, you can fill out a form online from their website. So go to hsbc.co.uk and you will see this option. Now to apply for a bank account from here, you can simply go to the banking account and services section. Under current account or savings account, what kind of account that you want. So if you want a normal bank account under current account, you can simply select bank account option. There will be different types of bank account to choose from. You just have to select the one that you want to. So from here you will see a couple of options and you will see how to apply. So you can select you want to apply for a sole account or for a joint account. I will simply select for a sole account. Once I select apply for a sole account, on the next page it will ask me to check my eligibility, and these are the documents that I will need. So you're not an existing HSBC customer, you're aged 18 or above, you currently live in the UK. The documents are like your addresses for the last 3 years, your employment details, your income details, and proof of your identity and address. Once done, you can click on the confirm and start option right here. So it says what will we do with these details. You can simply make sure to enter your email address right here and make sure to enter your title, everything according to the legal information. Fill out this form, upload your document, and your bank will let you know whether or not your bank account application has been approved. So this way you should be able to open up your bank account online on HSBC. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.